Click on the Fido app icon to open it. Click on register. Type in your mobile number and click on next. You will now receive an OTP via SMS. Enter the code. This is required so the app can confirm your mobile number. The app will now ask you to set a PIN code. You will need to use this PIN code every time you want to use the app. Choose a unique PIN. Re-enter the PIN to verify it. You will be asked to set a security question. Set a question with a unique answer that only you know. The secret question is used to help you get access to your account in case you forget your PIN. Great, you've registered on the Fido app. Log in and explore the app to understand its features and benefits. For more finance videos, check out the Priority Finance playlist on the Unity website. Thank you.